Hello guys, this is your Baru and happy 17th year anniversary Palarong Pinoy Irogaland. So, I would like to congratulate guys sa mga bumubuo ng Palarong Pinoy Irogaland, sa ating founder na si Doc Sen. More power guys! And sa mga bago nandito sa Norway, kung mapapadpad kayo dito sa Stavanger or part of Rogaland, feel free to connect or join our Palarong Pinoy Irogaland. It's a community for all the Filipinos and it's for fun guys. So if you are looking for a connection dito sa Stavanger, feel free to contact our officers or feel free to visit our website or visit their Facebook page. It's Palarong Pinoy Irogaland and contact mo lang yung mga officers dyan. So let's go guys. Hey guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ocean Bowling dito sa Stavanger. Matutunghayan natin ang bowling tournament dito sa Palarong Pinoy Irogaland. Tara na guys, let's meet our founder. It's Doc Sen. Ito na siya.
Hello, my name is Doc Sen Suratos Baguio. And I am the proud active member of PPIR. I claim the title, the founder of Palarong Pinoy Irogaland, which have been active for 17 years. Imagine, and that is because of all these loyal and active members that this Palarong Pinoy has been having for the past years. So to inspire everybody, come and join us. We have badminton, volleyball. Now we are going to have the 17th year anniversary bowling celebration. We have 72 bowlers for today, mostly Filipinos, but we are also inviting all of the sports enthusiasts here in Rogaland from different nationalities, from different religion, from all ages. So I am proud, and sorry kayo, if any questions you have in your heart or in your mind, don't hesitate to ask one of the officers. Today is going to be the oath-taking of the new set of officers for the next 2 years. So, supportahan po natin sila. Maraming salamat and have a nice weekend.
Alright.
See you.
So guys, let's hear from the officers.
President Jameson Hueca. Ang ating pong Vice Presidente na papalit sa akin ay si Maricris Suratos. Ang ating pong kalihim na sekretary ay si Doc Sen Baguio. Ang ating pong treasurer, wala siya rito, si Maribeth Espina po. Ang ating auditor, wala rin siya dito. Si Jean pa rin, siya pa rin yung dating auditor natin. Ngayon, dati po na wala na yung PIO, Event Coordinator. Ngayon, babalik po yung PIO natin, which is Public Information Officer. Ngayon po, i-introduce po si Eddie!
Salamat sa tiwala. And then, yun, mag-enjoy tayo. I hope na kailangan mag-enjoy ng support tayo. Mutual support para maging successful. Thank you.
Yeah! Oh guys, dahil mga early birds. So good. Thank you. Ayan, meron tayong ano guys. Meron tayong pa-early birds pizza. Ayan, with Doc. Meet the officers. Yeah. Let's eat guys.
Ano yan, incentive sa mga punctual, not even punctual, earlier than punctual. Ayan.
Early birds. Let's eat.